Alright, this is my brain dissection presentation for anatomy and physiology, and that is my cat. Okay, so you're going to have your cerebrum, which is going to be this front part of the brain, and this right down the middle is the medial fissure. That is what separates the right and left hemisphere. And then these little grooves are going to be your sulci, and the ridges are then going to be the gyri. And then you're going to have your frontal lobe up here, which is going to be your motor functions. Parietal lobe is going to be just behind that, and that's going to receive and process your somatic function, or information, sorry, sensory information. And then you have your temporal lobes over here, and that's going to process your auditory information. And then you're going to have, in the back is going to be your occipital lobe, and that's going to process the sensations from your eyes. And then we're going to go back here to the cerebellum, and that is this whole part right here. And then you're going to also have your vermis, which is going to go right down the cerebellum, and the cerebellum is going to control your muscle coordination. So we're going to flip it over to the bottom, and you're going to see your medulla and your pons, and then your spinal cord and brainstem. And up towards the top, you'll have your olfactory bulbs, which on both sides there. And then this X you see here is going to be your optic chiasma. And then from there, we're going to break it open. And there is so we're going to look at the lateral ventricle first. There is typically a membrane right in here called the septum pellucidum, but I removed that so we could look into to see the lateral ventricle deep in there. And then from there, you're going to have your third and fourth ventricles, and your third one's going to be right in here, and your fourth ventricle is over here, and that's going to connect to your central canal in the spinal cord. So from there, we are going to look at this one. This here is the thalamus, and just below that, you're going to have your hypothalamus, and your pineal body is going to be right here, and your pons is going to be right here. Your medulla is right there. And then if you get close on the cerebrum, you can see this tree branch looking white stuff, and that is the arbor vitae. I'm butchering these names, I'm sorry. Okay. And then your midbrain is going to be like right here. And then if you go on the inside here of the brain, you can see, you can just cut that then. You can see that there is you can see the white matter and the gray matter. So there's the white matter and there's the gray matter. And then your central canal is going to be, it's kind of hard to see with this lighting, but it's going to be right in here. And that should cover it. Oh, your corpus callosum is right here, and then your cerebral adduct is right in here. And your cerebral colliculus is also right in here. And that concludes my dissection of the brain. Thank you.